Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on and tell you that my membership is open, and we haven't been open for several months now, but I'm accepting new members into my creative community. And if you have questions about it, you don't understand what exactly it is or what you get, I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. So I'm right at the end of a workshop that I'm hosting online also. And today, in The Art of Letting Go is the name of the workshop, we painted several little floral studies. So if you join the membership, you'll also get access to the workshop. And if you're already in the workshop, you have a special code that you can use to get your money back, your $10 that you paid for the workshop, if you join the membership. But we painted all of these little florals, and we talked about how painting small can help you to loosen up. And in May, in the membership, we're going to be painting 12 different smaller flowers. So we're going to do all the birth month flowers. So that's January, February, March. There's 12 different ones, and I'm going to walk members through painting every single one of these. And that's going to be what our lessons are, in addition to what we're doing in the workshop, because members get access to the workshop also for free. But I'm going to refresh my page here. I just wanted to let you know that it's open, number one, and also let you know that if you are already in the workshop, you have a special code that you can use to get a discount. But even if you're not in the workshop, you can join with a yearly subscription and get 2 months for free. So if you join monthly, it's $37. If you join yearly, it's $370, but you get 2 months for free. And I'm going to put a link here for you to make sure that you know where to go if you're interested. I've had several people asking me some questions, so I just wanted to hop on here and talk about some of the questions that I've been asked. So some of the questions have been, how many times do you get to paint in the membership per month? And there are usually four lessons. Sometimes there are more. Like for May, there's the workshop, which we're painting every day for 5 days, plus all of these florals and a Q&A. So May is going to be packed with all kinds of things. But on a normal schedule, we'll have 2 pre-recorded tutorials. Like this was one of the tutorials last month. And if you join, you'll have access to everything from the past also. And then we have a live studio session where I just share with you what's going on with me in my studio, and we paint something. So 1 month we painted these little, I think we did 4 of these little landscapes in that painting session. And then we have a Q&A session. So even if you don't take part in it live, all of the things that we do are recorded, downloaded, and kept in the membership library. And that library is packed full. There are individual lessons on florals, on landscapes, animals, seasonal things, different fruits, portraits. We've got things that are done mixed media style, palette knife work, brush. Most of it is going to be acrylics. There are 3 courses. One of them is called Acrylic Painting for Beginners. One's called Palette Knife Painting for Beginners. And then there's one that's called Beyond the Brush, which is helping you to learn more about your style and how to tap into that. Which leads me to the second thing that someone was talking to me about today. And that was how they have tried to paint differently. This, if you're a workshop member, then you heard this conversation. but they've tried to change the way that they paint. But when they look back throughout all of their paintings in the past, they all kind of look the same. And I want to make sure that you guys know that if you join my membership and you're painting in any of my classes, it doesn't have to be in the membership, I'm always going to encourage you to do your own thing. You can take tips, you can take ideas, you can take color ideas, you can take technique and put it into what you're already doing. And it's just going to help you to create the best art that you can create. And if we all created the exact same thing, then it would be very boring. It would be very sad, because creativity, the whole purpose of creativity is to be creative, to come up with your own ideas, to use things that you like, to make choices that are unique to you, that are going to make you happy. And if you're painting something that's like a paint by number almost, where someone has made all those choices for you, yeah, it's really easy and it's enjoyable for a little while, but you're probably going to get to a point where you're bored with that, and you're going to want to change some things, and you're going to want to be a little braver and try something new and see what happens. And that is the kind of classes that I teach. So if a paint by number system, you want to know exactly what paintbrush I'm using, you want to know exactly what color mixture, like 1 part blue and 2 part black, that kind of thing, that's not the kind of teaching that I do. And I'm probably not going to be for everybody. So if you are interested in learning more about how to be a better artist yourself, how to tap into your own unique abilities, how to paint things that make you happy, not something that is just sort of a everybody's painting exactly the same thing and it's all going to turn out exactly the same way, then my classes are more about, here are some ideas. I want you to paint this. Let's take this for example. This was last month's, one of our tutorials was the strawberries. So let's say that you are a very beginner painter. I'm going to tell you, yes, paint this exactly the way that I did. Use all of the tools I used, use the paint colors I used, do it. You do exactly what I did. And on my artist flight path, which was my journey as an artist, in the membership, I call that the parrot level. So you're just practicing exactly what your teacher is telling you. Well, then I'm going to tell you, I want you to do it again and choose some different colors. Make some bold choices. Do something totally different that is going to be outside of your comfort level. Because if everybody just painted exactly the same thing, then I'm not doing a very good job of teaching you to be creative. And that's what I want to do. I want to teach you to be more confident with your choices, to create things that are leaning towards your own style. So the second level in that would be the sparrow level, where you're more interested in thinking, okay, what would happen if I change this? And in the creative community, someone, I'm not going to say your name, tried painting this and they didn't like it. And it didn't turn out the way they wanted it to turn out. Another member suggested, why don't you turn those strawberries into lemons? And they did. And their painting turned out amazing. And they were happy with it. And they were excited. And that is the kind of thing that makes me happy as a teacher. Because when you're painting for yourself and you're painting things that you are good at, that you want to create, that are in your mind, and you're making color choices and composition choices that are yours, you're going to be so much happier as a painter with what you have created. And so the sparrow level is where you're starting to get a little braver and you're starting to try things. Then there's the hummingbird level, where you want to find your style. You want to find out who you are, what you're about, what you like to do. And I would suggest for hummingbirds a little something different. So I would say, maybe not paint this exactly the way I did, but what would happen if you changed the colors? What would happen if you chose a bolder color palette or a more muted color palette? What do you like? What do you not like? Change those things and see what happens. And then the bluebird level would be those who are painting in their own style. They kind of know what they're doing. They may be wanting to start a business or sell their work. And those are the 4 levels of birds in my creative community. So yes, we all start out with the step-by-step lessons. But my goal as a teacher is to help you move past just step-by-step lessons and really dig into, what do I like? How do I want to create? What are some things that I could do? And allow yourself permission to explore, to create, to try things, and enjoy creativity. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, then this will be a great place for you. So my creative community is open right now. We opened up today. We're open through May the 8th. And I would love for you to join us. So if you have questions, Carrie says, this has been so helpful. Thank you. I'm glad to hear that. If you have questions, you can post them here and I'll try to come back and answer those. But I just wanted to give you a little idea, a little sample of what it's like. If you haven't been in my workshop this week, of what it's like to learn from me, because I'm not a paint by number, every little detail. I'm going to give you every little step kind of teacher. I'm more of a creativity encourager. So I'm going to give you techniques. I'm going to give you ideas. I'm going to give you step-by-step lessons, but I am going to lean heavily into encouraging you to work out your own way and take the things that you're learning and turn them into something that is totally yours, that you're going to be super happy with and proud to create. So if this sounds good to you, come on in. We're open through May the 8th.